Guys, welcome back to my channel. And today is the one of the special day for me, guys. Actually, in this video, here you can see here is the Thomson 65-inch LED TV. I just purchased this TV from Flipkart. Today I got a delivery, and this is the unboxing and installation video. Actually, now we are doing an unboxing because a single person cannot able to unbox, guys. We need 2 to 3 persons. Actually, this box and TV size is somewhat it's huge, big. We need to handle with gas only. I just with the help of my friends, actually these guys were nearby neighbors. Just with the help of them, we are doing the unboxing of this box. Just taking out. Okay, just okay. First, we are removing the thermocols, and guys, now we are removing this cover. Yeah. Okay, here you can see here is the Thomson 65-inch LED TV, guys. Finally, we are taking out. Actually, it's ultra slim and it's a super brushless display, guys. Actually, I can see. Just a minute. Here, okay. Yes, we are opening the TV now. Here you can see here's the Thomson TV, guys, 65-inch LED TV. Finally, we have unboxed this. You can see how slim it is. There is no bristles in three sides, actually, top, left, and right corner, and bottom there is a metallic bristle is there. That is also very small, tiny only, and this will support say Dolby Vision with 4K UHD, guys. It's you can enjoy that like experience you can get actually because it's supporting a Dolby Atmos too. And this is a Google TV OS, guys. It's not Android, it's a Google TV OS. And other than that, it's entirely a brushless design. And in this TV it supports a dual bandwidth Wi-Fi also, and it comes with a MediaTek processor with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of ROM, guys. Actually, it seems it is we can get a good gaming experience. And in this box, you can see they are provided a two metallic stand. This is a metal, gas, not plastic, metallic stand. And inside this cover it's a remote, and then manual guide, it seems. Yeah, another one is a warranty, and two batteries they are provided for remote. Here you can see here's the metal stand. Actually, this is not a plastic or fiber. Actually, this is a metallic stand. That metallic stand, guys. So totally, these two are metallic. These two metallic. And let's see what they have given inside this cover. Okay, I'm taking it out. And here you can see here is the user guide, it seems. Yeah, this is the user guide. So manual, they have provided instructions how to use this TV. Yeah, okay, let's keep this aside. And here's the warranty guide, guys, for this Thomson TV. Actually, they are giving a 1 year warranty for manufacturing defects. And then they have given this cable too. And okay, guys, here is this TV. Here you can see how is it. It looks great, guys, actually, because it's entirely brushless design TV, actually. And okay, guys, let's we can jump to installation. And for this TV, installation is free, guys. From brand side, they are providing a free installation, and the installation guy were also came for installing. Here you can see he is fitting the clamp the backside of this TV for mount for wall mounting. You can see it's screwing. Actually, installation is free, guys. That's not sure. They are providing a free installation. Here you can see how finally we are going to fit this TV in wall, and installation, guys, drilling. Yeah, I placed a metallic stand. And okay, guys, finally we have just fitted the TV in that stand. It's now time to turn it on. Yeah, it's now time to turn it on. Just click the power button. I can see a Thomson friendly technology. Actually, guys, the display is very superb, guys, because it's a QLED display, and plus it supports up to 4K resolution. I can see there's a Google TV. logo. Actually, this is based on Google TV OS. So Google TV logo is booting up. Let's see the UI. Yeah, it's same Google TV UI. And guys, this TV operating system it is running on Android 11. Just note it down. It's coming with the Android 11 out of box. And now finally we have connected a Wi-Fi network. So I just skipped that part actually. And this model is 2023 guys, not 2024. It's a 2023 model, 64-inch Thomson LED TV. And in this button here you can see this is a profile button, this is a Google Assistant button, and the settings, and this is the navigations. You already know, and back button, home button, and for TV set-top box purpose for that button. And here's the volume up and down, and mute button, just input button that is. And these four are OTT button guys: Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and then Google TV. That is the OTT buttons guys. And okay guys, finally we have completed the unboxing and installation of this TV. And guys, and I have purchased this TV at a cost of 37,000 guys, including a bank offers in Flipkart I have purchased. And regarding this, that's all guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any doubts or questions, just ask in the comment section. Definitely I'll reply. And please do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye. See you next video.